So welcome back to part 2 video of She Who. So here in part 2, we're just gonna do it again, but this time we're gonna use a faster tempo. So if you had a hard time with part 1, if it was a little too much for you, if you got dizzy from that slower pace, I do not recommend this video. I'm going to talk about what that dizziness is and all the information in its own separate video. But right now we're just going to do She Who part 2 for maybe 5 minutes. And what we do, it's the same. We start off she, breathe into the lower lungs, she, breathe into the upper lungs, and then who, breathe out. We go slow like we started before, like we did the whole thing, but now we're gonna gradually speed up the tempo, and I'm gonna tell you all the reasons why, and if you wanna watch that video first, I totally understand. I'm gonna post it at the same time that I'm posting this part 2 video, okay? So, let's do it. If you already understand it and you're ready. So we are in charge of the tempo, remember? You're the boss if it gets to be too much. We're only gonna do it, I'm gonna time it for about 5 minutes total of breath work. It's up to you if you move your arms or not, or if you breathe out your nose or mouth or not. But let's get started. She breathing in. She breathing in. Who breathing out. Who. Stay relaxed. In, out. In the nose, out, nose or mouth, up to you. Ooh. 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 You don't have to use your hands in, out. She, who. She, who. She, who. 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 Stay relaxed. Ooh. 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 One more minute. You got it. relax, breathe normally. Return to a normal pace in and out. Calm down your breathing. Calm it down. If you're sitting down, you're fine, right? If you're standing up, you probably got quite a rush, right? So maybe if it was too much standing up and you had to stop, you should sit down for part 2. Try it again, the whole thing with me. I'm going to put out a whole video now. I'm going to call it part 3 about what these different paces do to us. The slow pace, and then what it does when we come up to a faster pace, so that you understand what all this does for you and you can use it at your discretion. Because, I mean, even if you're sequestered inside, you can sit by a salt lamp or non-toxic air that's maybe breezing in through the window, feeling fresh in the morning or late at night. And you can practice some of this for yourself as we go along through this thing that's going on together. And it can help you. And I'm going to put out part 3 video here very shortly to tell you what all this is from the traditions, the centuries-old traditions of QiGong and the breathwork part of QiGong. And it's going to help you along the way. I know it. We're going to get through this together. I'll see you soon.